Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video, so let's start the powerful video. Despite the fact that it might appear that you have no choice but to endure dry, cracked lips until spring arrives, it is possible to have lips that are smooth and supple throughout the entire year. Listed in this video is the advice that dermatologists give. It is important to use lip balm, lipstick, and any other cosmetics that you apply to your lips that do not cause irritation. It is common for people to believe that discomfort, such as burning, stinging, or tingling, is an indication that the active chemicals in a product are successful in their intended purpose. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. The situation is not like that at all. In reality, you are irritating your lips, and as a result, you should refrain from applying any product that causes irritation to your lips. When your lips are chapped, you should avoid the following ingredients. Lip products that contain any of the following should be avoided in order to facilitate the healing process of chapped lips. Cinnamon, citrus, mint, and peppermint flavors can be particularly unpleasant to dry, chapped lips. Camphor eucalyptus flavors include other flavors that can be irritating. Odor or scent. Lanolin, plural. The herb menthol, oxybenzone or octinoxate, that is. Phenol, also termed phenol. A gallate of propyl, the acid salicylicum. Components that can heal chapped lips include the following. There are some components that can aggravate dry, cracked lips, while others can assist in the healing process. Dermatologists recommend that you look for products that include one or more of the following ingredients when you are looking for items to use on your broken lips. Castor seed oil is the ceramides, the dimethicone, oil extracted from hemp seeds, the mineral oil, aspartic acid, butter made from shea. Components that confer protection against the sun, such as zinc oxide or titanium oxide, jelly made of white petroleum. Additionally, it is beneficial to make use of items that are hypoallergenic and free of aroma. Repeatedly throughout the day and before going to bed, apply a lip balm or lip moisturizer that does not cause irritation. One option to consider is using a thick ointment, such as white petroleum jelly, if your lips are extremely dry and cracked. The water resistance of ointment is greater than that of waxes or oils. Before heading outside, apply a lip balm that's non-irritating and has a sun protection factor, SPF, of at least 30. It is essential to protect your lips from the sun at all times, even during the winter months. Lips that are dry and chapped are more susceptible to being burned by the sun, which can aggravate cold sores. Use a lip balm that has a sun protection factor, SPF, of at least 30 and one or both of the following sun protective components to protect your lips from the sun and prevent them from becoming dry and chapped. An oxide of titanium. Oxide of zinc. The lip balm should be used every 2 hours while you are outside. Please consume a lot of water. When your lips are chapped, they are dry, thus it is important to stay hydrated. If you are picking at your lips, licking them, or biting them, stop. You might think it's normal to wet your lips by licking them when they feel dry, but this can actually make the condition even worse. As your saliva evaporates, the moisture in your lips decreases. Lips can be irritated by picking at them or biting them, both of which interfere with the healing process. You should avoid using your lips to hold things that are composed of metal. Metal items, such as paper clips, jewelry, and other commonplace items, have the potential to hurt your lips, which are already sensitive. When you get home, plug in a humidifier. The presence of a humidifier in your bedroom can be especially beneficial, particularly if you breathe through your mouth while you are sleeping. After 2 to 3 weeks of following these recommendations for chapped lips from dermatologists, you should see a noticeable improvement in your condition. If you want to avoid your lips becoming chapped again, you should continue to apply lip balm whenever they are dry, whether you are inside or outside. When should one call a dermatologist? In the majority of cases, the self-care practices described above can heal dry, chapped lips in 2 to 3 weeks. Seek the advice of a dermatologist who is board certified if it does not. There is a possibility that your chapped lips are the result of something other than dry weather. It's possible that your lips are feeling dry and painful because of an allergic reaction, a yeast infection, or something altogether more serious. Actinic cheilitis is a condition that can cause one or both lips to become dry and scaly. It is a precancerous condition. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.